Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove clock on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra lock screen. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, privacy, security, and of course, Wi-Fi and network settings. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type lock screen and AOD, always on display. A few different options may pop up, like those related to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, but ignore those for now. We're focusing on lock screen settings. Step 4. From the search results, tap on lock screen and AOD. When you're inside, tap on Edit Lock Screen to access your lock screen customization options. Step 5. For the last and most important step, tap the present clock displayed on your lock screen. Scroll all the way down to find the option that says No Clock and select it. Then, tap Done to save your changes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.